You are being lied to every single day by people with perfect lighting and courses to sell. They tell you to grind while they sleep. Here's the joke they don't tell you. They're sleeping just fine. On your ambition, on your health, on your money. Because here's the truth they edited out of their motivational reels. The harder you grind, the poorer you're getting. And I'm not just talking about your bank account. I'm talking about your life expectancy. You know this feeling. It's 2:47 a.m. You're watching a video about how someone made $50,000 in a month. You should sleep. Instead, you open your laptop. One more hour. Just one more. Here's what's actually happening in your brain right now. It's called social comparison theory. We didn't evolve to see 10,000 people's highlight reels every day. Your cave brain sees someone winning, assumes you're dying, floods you with cortisol, makes you feel urgent, makes you feel behind, makes you do dumb things. Like buying a course you don't need, starting a side hustle you hate, trading your peace for a promise. I did everything right, woke up at 4 a.m., 2 jobs, side hustle on weekends, and I'm more broke now than when I started. And my doctor said my blood pressure. They sold you a story. Work harder equals win harder, but the math doesn't math. Let me tell you about Jeff, not Bezos, different Jeff. Jeff followed the rules, woke up 4:30 a.m., cold plunge, 2 hours deep work before his 9 to 5, then his 9 to 5, then his side hustle until midnight, ate at his desk, missed his kids' bedtime. For 3 years, his income went up 40%, his net worth went up 12%, and then, heart attack, 34 years old. Medical bills wiped the 12%. Now he's in debt, now he's sick, now he's starting over. Here's what the hustle gurus don't understand. Wealth is not built in the grind. Wealth is built in the pause, in the space between decisions, when you're not exhausted, when you can think. Your brain on 5 hours sleep? It's not optimizing wealth, it's optimizing survival. It buys the overpriced coffee. It doom scrolls and impulse purchases. It says you deserve this at 11 p.m. to a DoorDash driver. Because you're not lazy, you're depleted. And depleted people make poor people decisions. So what actually works? Not the sexy answer. The true answer. Step 1. The 80-20 rule, but for energy, not time. Energy. Identify the 20% of your work that actually moves the needle. Do that. The other 80%? The busy work, the scrolling for research, the courses you'll never finish. Stop. Here's the inversion. Stop asking, how can I do more? Ask, what would happen if I did less? Scary question, but the answer is usually nothing bad, nothing at all. Step 2. The 10 p.m. rule. No decisions after 10 p.m. No purchases, no emails, no just one more task. Your future self at 8 a.m. hates your 1 a.m. self. Stop letting 1 a.m. self drive. Step 3. The identity shift. Stop calling yourself a hustler. Call yourself an owner. Owners don't trade time for money. Owners build systems. Owners rest so they can see clearly. Owners know that a tired brain is a broke brain. The goal isn't to die with the most hours logged. The goal is to live with the most freedom. Look, I know you want to win. I know you're scared of being left behind. I know the algorithm keeps showing you 22-year-olds in rented Airbnbs telling you they made $1 million. But here's the quiet truth. The people who actually build wealth, they're not grinding at 3 a.m. They're sleeping. They're exercising. They're present with people they love. And because of that, they make better decisions in the 20 hours they do work than you make in 80. So here's my challenge to you. Tonight, at 9:59 p.m., put the phone down, actually down, in another room, sleep. And tomorrow, work less, think more, win anyway. I want to hear from you. What's the one thing you're doing right now, every single day, that you know isn't actually moving the needle? The busy work, the performative hustle, the thing you do just to feel like you're doing something. Drop it in the comments. I'll reply to the first 50 myself. If this video hit a nerve, if you felt that little twist in your chest when I talked about Jeff, hit the like button. That's how the algorithm finds people who need to hear this, not the hustlers, the humans. And hey, go to sleep. Seriously, your future rich self is waiting.